this is it, guys. This is the most important day of my life. I have left this house, the old one, and I'm leaving to catch up for the new house. The lorry has already left from here, so I have to be in my new house before the lorry arrives with my stuff. So I'm really happy that I am moving on. I've said goodbye to all my friends. I have said goodbye to the old house. I have hugged the walls. It has been very emotional. So, but I am being positive that I am moving to a new house, new place, new directions, new paths, new goals, new friends, and everything should be new. So I'll see you in my new house. Let's go. Lovely people, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, S.H.E.I.L.D. How's everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new house. Yes, I have arrived in my new house and little bit of refurbishment is required. I'll quickly just show you around. It's a little bit messy. I haven't settled down everything because a little bit of paints required, a little bit of work required, but I'll show you around quickly. Let's go. So you will enter from here, and this is the stairs, and that's the kitchen, and we got a storeroom here. Right, this is the kitchen. And that's my garden. So yeah, beautiful. Yes, let's go to the living room. Living room is a little bit messy. I haven't done anything in it yet. It needs a little bit of paint, and then I'll bring in the sofas. So this is my living room. This is the front garden. Oh, the front parking, you can say. My car is there. The front garden definitely needs doing, because I would love to have like 2-3 cars parking. So that will be done soon. And this is the living room. This is a small patio room or storeroom or utility room, whatever you want to say. I'm gonna make it utility room. You know who is that? Hello, Shiru, say hello. The room needs a little bit of paint, and then carpets, and then the front driveway. So when everything is done, I'll make another clip so you can see before and after. And this is the toilet. So this is it, guys. Will update you as soon everything is completed. Come on down. Come on down. You want to come down? No? You don't want to come down? Come on, S.H.E.I.L.D. Come down. Come on. Come on, S.H.E.I.L.D. Hey, why are you so frightened? Come on, S.H.E.I.L.D. Why are you so frightened? Tell me. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Hello lovely people, today is a Christmas day. I thought I'll greet you all. Merry Christmas everybody, love you all, miss you all. And I have settled in my new house. Well, not completely, it's like my living room has been settled down and the bedroom still needs, you know what I mean. I mean, like slowly everything will be settling down. So let me show you my living room first and then I will talk to you. Okay, so you all have seen my journey from my old house to my new house, and I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you did, let me know what you think about my new house, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you next year. Yes, next year Wish you all Happy New Year in advance. Till next time, you look after yourself. Bye bye.